Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can set up macros on your Razer Synapse 4. So basically the first thing that you want to do is to just connect your mouse and download the Razer 4 Synapse application. From here, you then want to open it up and it should look something like this. Under the customization, macros, and we have our macros on our mouse. So normally the left click will be grayed out similar to this one. The reason why this is disabled is because it will actually prevent users from disabling the left click itself. So enable to simply cancel this out, you want to set your left click first into another button. So maybe you want to go ahead and choose something like mouse button 4, and you should just back up your left click first, in order to disable accidentally changing it or disabling it. And from there, this option will enable us to simply macro it to another. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.